My name is Matt. I'm one of the statewide training coordinators for Lifeline training here in Queensland, and our role is looking after the training space for Lifeline in the States. So within Queensland, our Lifeline community recovery team are one of the first ones on the ground when there's a disaster activation within the state. So we'll essentially get the call up to send in staff who will then go along and work in a capacity of providing psychological first aid within hubs and doing outreach to affected properties. Leading into disaster season, what I would say is that there's a number of things you can do, and I would start with looking out for yourself and what your needs are, monitoring yourself, where you're at, how you're feeling, taking into account your own self-care needs, and making sure that you're okay. And then outside of that, you can look to looking after family members, looking after your extended networks, friends, that kind of thing. I think as we've all become more connected through COVID, through digital means, and I think we've all become more used to picking up the phone, making that phone call to check in with people. I think that's something that we should keep up, as we lead into disaster season. Say good day, give them a wave, try to start a conversation like that. Maybe there's a neighbourhood Facebook group that's in your neighbourhood or your community. Invite them around for a barbie if you're so that way inclined, and get to know them. Just say good day so that you know who you're living next door to and who might need a hand, or who you might be able to go to for help if ever needed. If you're ever in need of a hand and you need to chat to someone, Lifeline's always there, so 13 11 14, that's always an option for you.